position before that you will print. So minus, I don't want it from -5, I want it from -4, -4 to -1. Yeah. -2. Now what I will get? -1, -2, -2. Okay, till here. So -3. Wait, -1, -2, -3, -4. So blue, green, not yellow, only blue and green, like this. Okay. Now no source, no target. So print. Wait, no source, but target is there. My list of 0 to, that's all. Now what I will get? From 0, all, no target. You get all. Okay. Now no target, but source. Sorry, delta. This is no target. Not no target, but source. Here no source, but target. So no source, but I want till 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. 3 means up to green you will get 3 minus 1. This. Okay, this is positive negative slicing and sourcing is playing with slicing itself. Now, okay, one more last scenario. No source, no target. What will you do? Mileage star column. So what I will get? Now I want to add. So my list. Well, 3 people are there initially. So these are the 3 people available in the list. But I want to add something like Ravi. This start Append. Ravi. So what I will get? My list, Ravi. Okay, but I'll again use my list dot append Kabbalah something. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, now I am SCRT insert and ALMD at a specified position. So what I will do, my list dot insert. What I will do, I want Satish K bar, okay, 0, 1. In the second position after coffee, I want like Lalita, something. So I want at the position 2 to be inserted. Yep. See 0, 1, 2. Second position may I include it. Okay, great. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth position may I want to insert insert, what I will say, the question I want to insert module like area. Okay, something like this. This one. Okay, now this is insertion. So appending inserting, and I want to modify an element. What AFI? How do you modify? So my list of 0. Okay, I want to modify it as set TISS Satish. See, Satish, I made it Satish Kumar. This one. Okay, I want AKROMAH. Okay, one. Yeah. See, if I modified this. So like this, you can modify. Now what finally I want to clear. See, sometimes it is. I feel that it is. This there are some methods which are deprecated. Deprecated means it won't work. So I want to show you here. See, list object has no attribute clear. So this cannot be used. Okay. Remove. Exactly takes one argument. I want to remove Ravi. See here, Ravi is removed. Here, I had Ravi here, but it's removed. Now I want to remove Kamala. And let's start remove. See, Kamala is gone. So you can remove like this. Okay, you can say mileage dot delete. If it is there, it will come, but it is not there. So clear, it's not working. Mileage dot. Let's go with count. Yeah. No. This is something like counter. Counter. Like I want to. Yeah. It should counter. It should work. Yeah. The count may actually we have to give it in this way. See, it takes one argument. So I want to show you the error. So what you have to do, count method. Here there are two things. Number one, I can say my list. This is one way. But here